Uy, uy, uy! Nakita nyo ba yung pag-aaway ni Senator Marcoleta tsaka ni Senator Lacson? Grabe, no? Tingnan natin.
The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
No, they are not judging. That's
No,
why
ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No, 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 no. I am raising prejudicial
Or
questions.
you're
I
creating
am,
trouble
sinasabi ko,
to prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayo magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I am
opinion.
questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your prejudice?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of
judge.
the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Discayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
So, bakit nga ba nanggagalaiti sa galit itong si Senator Marcoleta kontra kay Senator Lacson? Nagugat ito dahil nga sa plea ng mag-asawang Diskaya na mag-undergo ng Witness Protection Program o maging witness in short. Nagbanggit kasi ng kanyang opinyon itong si Senator Lacson na tila baga sinasabing hindi credible as witness itong itong mag-asawang Diskaya. Na para bang sinasabi na mas credible nga itong si Bryce Hernandez as witness. Na siya namang naging dahilan kung bakit nanggalaiti sa galit itong si Senator Marcoleta. Ayon kay Senator Marcoleta, dapat daw ang isang senador, lalo na kapag may nahawakang pwesto, ay hindi nagbibigay ng opinyon. Ang ayon naman kay Senator Lacson na ang kanyang opinyon ay nasa labas ng Senado. At nabanggit niya yun, labas ng kanyang opisina. So kayo, ano sa tingin ninyo? Mag-follow, mag-like, at mag-share dito lang sa Current PH TV. Ting!